Hello everyone. Today I am presenting the physics topic that is motion. In everyday life, we see objects at rest and others in motion. Birds fly, blood flows, and cars move. Atoms, planets, and stars are all in motion. Motion is a change of position with respective of time. It can be described in terms of the distance moved or the displacement. Look at the web once to have an idea about the motion. Reference point and a reference frame. To describe the position of an object, we need a reference point or origin. An object may seem to be moving to one observer and stationary to another. For example, a passenger inside a bus sees the other passengers be at rest, whereas an observer outside the bus sees it as the passengers are in motion. In order to make observations easy, a convention or a common reference point or frame is needed. All the objects must be in the same reference frame. Uniform and non-uniform motion. When an object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, it is known as uniform motion. When an object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, it is known as non-uniform motion. Here you can have a look at the uniform motion graph and the non-uniform motion graph. Scalar and vector quantities. Before learning about them, I would like to say you about magnitude and direction. Magnitude is the size or extent of a physical quantity. Direction is defined as a path that something takes. Scalar quantities are only expressed as magnitude. For example, time, distance, mass, temperature, area, and volume. Vector quantities are expressed in both magnitude as well as the direction of the object. For example, velocity, displacement, weight, momentum, force, acceleration, etc. Time and speed. Time is the duration of an event that is expressed in seconds. Most physical phenomena occur with respective of time. Time is a scalar quantity. Speed is the rate of change of distance. If a body covers a certain distance in a certain amount of time, its speed is given by speed is equals to distance by time. We calculate average speed by total distance traveled by the total time taken. Distance and displacement. The magnitude of the length covered by a moving object is called distance. It doesn't have any direction. Displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points. It has magnitude as well as direction. One point to be noted is that displacement can be zero, but distance cannot. Here is a complete picture of distance and displacement. Velocity. The rate of displacement is velocity. It is a vector quantity. Here the direction of motion is specified. Velocity is equals to displacement by time. Average velocity is equals to u plus v by 2, where u stands for initial velocity and v stands for final velocity. Acceleration. The change of rate of velocity is known as acceleration. It is a vector quantity. In non-uniform motion, velocity varies from time to time. That is, change in velocity occurs. Acceleration is denoted by letter A. Acceleration formula is equals to v minus u by t. That is, change in velocity by time. A skateboarder traveling down a ramp starts from rest and accelerates as it travels down the slope. If we take a snapshot of every second, we can see his velocity starts at 0 and increase steadily to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 meters per second. Now our definition of acceleration is the change in velocity divided by time taken for that change. If we look again at the velocities, we can see that for every passing second, his velocity increases by 2 meters per second. Therefore, his acceleration is 2 meters per second divided by 1 second, or 2 meters per second, or 2 meters per second squared. The units of acceleration must be distance divided by time squared, hence meters per second squared. Equations of motion. The motion of an object moving at uniform acceleration can be described with the help of three equations. Namely, the first one, v is equals to u plus at. Second, v square minus u square is equals to 2as. Third, s is equals to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. Distance time graphs. Here are examples of distance time graphs with uniform speed and non-uniform speed. Velocity time graphs. Here are some examples of velocity time graphs with uniform motion, uniform acceleration, and non-uniformly accelerated motion.